Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable piece of gear for anyone navigating the world of modern audio, the Devinal USB C to XLR cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a bridge, connecting the digital convenience of a smartphone or laptop directly to the robust, professional realm of XLR audio equipment. Imagine being a content creator, a musician, or even just someone who wants to play music from their phone through a high-quality PA system. Traditionally, this might involve multiple adapters, an audio interface, or a complex setup. The Devinal cable simplifies all of that. It features a USB-C connector on one end, which is the standard for most contemporary smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This means a direct, digital connection from the device, ensuring a clean signal from the source. On the other end, it boasts a sturdy XLR male connector, ready to plug into an amplifier, powered speaker, mixer console, or any other professional audio input that uses the industry-standard XLR connection. One of the immediate benefits noticed is its straightforward functionality. There's no need for external drivers or complicated software installations. It's essentially plug and play, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't audio engineers. The cable itself is 3.3 feet long, a practical length that offers enough reach for most common setups without creating excessive cable clutter. This makes it ideal for compact home studios, mobile DJ setups, or even just connecting a laptop to a mixer for a presentation. The versatility of this Devinal cable is truly its strong suit. Whether someone needs to send audio from their laptop to a studio monitor, connect their smartphone to a live sound mixer for background music, or even use it for a quick podcast setup, this cable handles it with ease. It's designed to provide a reliable and clear audio output, bypassing the often inferior analog audio jacks found on many consumer devices. By utilizing the USB-C port, it taps into the digital audio stream, which can often result in a cleaner, more consistent sound quality compared to traditional headphone jack outputs. For anyone looking to integrate their USB-C enabled devices seamlessly into a professional audio environment, this Devinal USB C to XLR cable presents an elegant and efficient solution. It eliminates the need for bulky interfaces in many scenarios, offering a direct, high-quality path for audio. It's a testament to how simple, well-designed accessories can significantly enhance a user's audio experience, making professional-grade connections accessible and hassle-free. This cable is a small but mighty tool that deserves a spot in any modern audio toolkit, proving that sometimes the simplest solutions are indeed the most effective.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.